Welcome back, explorers. Today, we're jetting off to Southeast Asia to delve into the vibrant city-state of Singapore. From the awe-inspiring gardens by the bay to the bustling streets of Chinatown, Singapore is a melting pot of cultures and experiences. But today, we're diving deeper than the iconic Marina Bay Sands. We're revealing 15 must-visit places in Singapore that promise to make your travels an unforgettable experience. Grab your virtual passports and let's get started. Singapore, the Lion City. Marina Bay Sands. Behold the Marina Bay Sands, a symbol of modern Singapore and a marvel of engineering. This iconic hotel and entertainment complex offers breathtaking views of the city skyline. It's not just a building, it's a testament to Singapore's vision and ambition. Sentosa Island, the state of fun. Universal Studios. Step into the magical world of Universal Studios on Sentosa Island. From thrilling rides to captivating shows, it's an amusement park that offers endless fun. It's an experience that brings out the child in everyone. Chinatown, the cultural mosaic. Sri Mariamman Temple. Visit the Sri Mariamman Temple, a spiritual sanctuary in the heart of Chinatown. Its vibrant architecture and intricate carvings offer a glimpse into Singapore's rich cultural tapestry. It's a spiritual journey that enlightens the soul. Little India, the spice of life. Mustafa Centre. Explore the Mustafa Centre, a 24-hour shopping haven in Little India. From electronics to spices, this retail giant offers a cornucopia of goods. It's a shopper's paradise that tantalizes the senses. Orchard Road, the shopping mecca. Ion Orchard. Stroll through Ion Orchard, a luxury shopping complex that defines Singapore's retail landscape. From high-end boutiques to gourmet eateries, Ion Orchard is a sanctuary for the sophisticated. It's a retail experience that elevates your style and palate. Clarke Quay, the nightlife hub. Singapore River Cruise. Embark on a Singapore River cruise at Clarke Quay, a lively waterfront area. The cruise offers a unique perspective of Singapore's skyline, illuminated by the night. It's a romantic escapade that captures the city's allure. East Coast Park, the coastal retreat. Cycling trails. Pedal along the cycling trails of East Coast Park, a beach park that offers a respite from city life. With its scenic coastline and recreational activities, it's a natural haven for outdoor enthusiasts. It's a coastal adventure that rejuvenates the spirit. If you're new here or haven't done so yet, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications, so you won't miss any of our future adventures. Excited for what's next? On to the next experience on our list. Tiong Bahru, the hipster haven. Tiong Bahru Market. Discover the Tiong Bahru Market, a local food market that offers a taste of Singaporean cuisine. From Hainanese chicken rice to char kway teow, it's a gastronomic delight. It's a culinary journey that satisfies the soul. Haji Lane, the Bohemian Street. Street art. Admire the vibrant street art that adorns the walls of Haji Lane. This narrow street is a canvas for local artists, making it a hub for creative expression. It's an artistic enclave that inspires the imagination. Botanic Gardens, the green oasis. Swan Lake. Wander around Swan Lake in the Botanic Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The serene lake and lush greenery offer a peaceful retreat from the urban hustle. It's a natural sanctuary that calms the mind. Raffles Hotel, the colonial gem. Singapore Sling. Savor a Singapore Sling at the Raffles Hotel, an iconic establishment that exudes colonial charm. This classic cocktail is a part of Singapore's culinary heritage. It's a sip of history that enriches your travel experience. Jurong Bird Park, the avian paradise. Waterfall Aviary. Visit the Waterfall Aviary at Jurong Bird Park, one of the largest walk-in aviaries in the world. With its diverse bird species and towering waterfall, it's a spectacle of nature. It's an avian wonderland that fascinates and educates. Merlion Park, the symbolic heart. Merlion statue. Behold the Merlion statue, the mythical creature that is the national symbol of Singapore. Its majestic presence overlooks the Marina Bay, serving as a guardian of the city. It's an iconic landmark that embodies the spirit of Singapore. Singapore Zoo, the wildlife wonderland. Experience the open-concept Singapore Zoo, home to over 2,800 animals from around the world. The zoo's naturalistic enclosures and conservation efforts make it a leader in wildlife care. It's an educational adventure that brings you closer to nature. SEA Aquarium, the oceanic marvel. Dive into the SEA Aquarium, one of the world's largest aquariums located on Sentosa Island. With more than 100,000 marine animals, it's a window into the vibrant life of the oceans. It's an underwater journey that mesmerizes and educates. Thank you for joining me on this extraordinary journey through Singapore. These 15 must-visit places offer more than just sightseeing. They provide transformative experiences that will enrich your life. Until next time, keep exploring and turning your destinations into experiences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more detailed experiences and exclusive travel deals, visit tripjive.com. Until our next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you for watching.